fresh, perfect area to fish, and it won't allow me to fish. Got the yellow crown, night heron. This bird is here also. Okay. Whew, dang, that was like going through war. Yeah, they did it on purpose. They did it on purpose so you don't fish. I know there's some fish out there. There's gotta be some fish out there. So it must be a fishing spot somewhere. Let's see this. I hope I don't have to go back through that again. I really don't hope. Okay, where am I at? So I'm right here. So you mean I walk from here? I walk from here to all the way there already? This is really small. I'll be done already. So this is a small area, guys. So far, I don't see where you can fish at. But it is nice and quiet. You can just think, meditate. You know what I'm saying? Just kick back. But be prepared for them daggone, whatever, fireflies, whatever you want to call it. So you know there must be some fish down there. I wonder if I drop a line right down there if I catch some. Because that's an open space. Matter of fact, there's a fish down there now. You see it? There's fish down there, y'all. I don't know if you're able to see it. Things is biting. Oh my gosh. These things. Y'all see me itching all on my videos. That's because I'm allergic to these jokers. Maybe that don't know what a manatee is. Oh, look at this nice yacht coming through, y'all. Okay. Anyway, This is the West Indian manatee that's in this area. So they usually hang out in those shallow areas. That's where you'll find them. Okay? So that's what we have here. I don't know if y'all see that yacht in the back. That's moving. That's what you hear. Okay. That goes to the Intercoastal. So they go right out to the Intercoastal, which is right along here, right through that bridge. What the heck? If you're near water, especially salt water, definitely gonna find a lot of coconuts. Open up those coconuts, see if there's some extra water in there. You're gonna see this yacht coming through past me, guys. Off to the side. You have some nice yachts there. Yeah. You have a lot of coconuts. I don't know if you're able to see them out there, but there's plenty of coconuts. Plenty of coconuts out here. Not these ones you would use, but I'm just saying if you're out there and your choice is try to open up them bad boys and see what water's in there. Hopefully don't get the rotten ones. You can see those coconuts. Those coconuts down there. Yeah. Cobwebs. Be prepared for cobwebs. Oh, look, see? Look, see? Look at them all on me. Look at them all. Look at them all. I just killed that joker. They all on me. So yeah, I gotta make my exodus, y'all, because I'm allergic to these things. Like that. Okay? So, you don't want to see Coop's wife covered in bumps all over the place. I'm gonna have to go. Alright, so, but this is what it is. I thought there was more than that. I thought there was a lake. I thought there was a whole lot more. Oh, shucks, look at this. What's in that hole? What's in there? Fascinated with holes, guys. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Something about them. How, you know, they get developed. How they're made. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Anybody inside? No, I'm gonna do my thing. Hooty hooty hoo! Anybody there? Let's keep it moving, because these jokers is out. They on my face. They everywhere. It's like going through. I don't know if you can see these through the sun or behind me, guys. Oh, shucks, what was that? What you just did? Where you came from? Where that joker came from, y'all? Y'all see him up there? Y'all see him up there? Where he came from? Where he come from? Where did he come from? He just about scared me. Snuck up on me, yo. Why you sneak up on me? What you see out there? You snuck up on me. What you see out there? What you see? You look like you about to bust a move or something. Yeah, uh-oh. You looking at me? You looking at me? Oh, you heard that? Okay. Oh, you about to pull up. Yo, this is how the birds do it in the jungle. first with the mushrooms. Don't eat those ones. Don't eat those mushrooms. U-turn required, coming soon. So we're going to have to do a turnaround because everything else is blocked off. So we're going to go back around. Right here, guys, we came to this end. This is the red mangrove. So there's different types of mangroves here. And there's a cutoff spot, so it doesn't let us go any further. And pretty much can't go anywhere from here. So that concludes this small little hiking trail. But because this was short, we're gonna go and try to do some fishing somewhere. So I thought this was gonna be a little bit longer, but overall, it was nice. This is why we can't go any further. Okay? So, see the ibis, guys? Remember we learned that bird? That's the ibis there. Alright. The heron. The owl. Squirrel, raccoon, manatee. So guys, I see I'm gonna have to blaze through this place. I'm not gonna hold up this camera because we already went through. And I'm gonna get to the car because I see I'm gonna have to guys, I'm gonna have to record when I get to the car because my hands is bit up. I can't fight them off because I can't see them. I'll be at the car. I'll see y'all there. Get back down. That was close. What that was, I don't know if it was a raccoon. What? I was trying to make it to the car. Overall, this is a nice little walk, though. Something's flying in my nose, guys. I didn't see any fishing spots. Tell me what you think, guys. Would you come out here alone to meditate? Are you that type of person? Come out here and meditate? I don't feel like going down that other trail because these things is getting to me. I want to go fishing. I think I've seen what we've seen here. But yeah, leave in the comment section, would you guys come out here on a trail by yourself? And if you would, what would you do? Would you just walk it, meditate on it? You know what I'm saying? Some people think like, you know, that's weird, or some people think like, oh, I couldn't do that by myself. Sometimes you just gotta enjoy just being by yourself, getting one with self, you know what I'm saying? Stay in tune with self. The Most High give you revelation. I'm seeing a lot of holes up in here. I wonder if there's some woodpeckers. I don't know if you can see that hole up in there, but oh, there's even a bigger one right here. Oh, but that's not a hole. Yeah, so you just come out, you just relax, just enjoy. We're always working, working, just to pay bills, and more behind bills. Sometimes you just gotta get out here, guys, and pick a hobby that you like to do. Even if it's not outdoors, find something to kind of, you know, keep the stress off, relax. I've always loved the outdoors. I just gotta, you know, get adapted to what comes with the outdoors. You know what I'm saying? A lot comes with it. One of the things I don't like is getting bit by these mosquitoes. Now, if I had the right proper, you know, hat, screen, I think that would be better, but that off, I only can put it on my clothes. I can't put it on the skin because I'm allergic to it. That deed that it got in there, I can't use it. So anyone that is dealing with anyone dealing with skin conditions, you know, you have to use extra precaution when it comes to the outdoors and what you put on your skin. I like those home remedies, things that you can use to keep away like the flies and gnats and the mosquitoes. Just something to be kind of, you know, cautious about. Those that might even think, you know, I'm gonna just go ahead and try it one day. You really might enjoy it. I do. I come from a fast life, so I like the slow down method right here. You know what I'm saying? It's still, I like it. Breaks up the monotony of everything else. Yeah, it's a good walk. I like walking. You like walking? Anybody like walking? Huh? Who's a walker? Leave a comment. You a walker? You like walking? All right, you like walking. Try coming out on a trail. Just try a small trail in your local neighborhood, in your area, a park. Just get out there, take one step at a time. Sit on a bench, even if you take 2 steps, and say that you made it there. You did it. You made it. Okay? So sometimes, you know, we look and we're like, dang, you know, I wish I'd be able to get out there and walk around, go camping, go fishing. You can. All you gotta do is take the feet out the door. All right? Make it happen for yourself. Yeah. So, on that note, guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in on the secret hidden trail here. Yes, we've made it back, and we're going to try a fishing spot. I hope this was enjoyable for you. I hope this was also entertainment. Oh, homie, he's getting ready to say bye to me. See, he gave me shout out. He gave me shout out earlier. He said hooly hooly hoo. Yeah. Now he want to see me off. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to leave his yard. So, all right. Like, subscribe, comment, you guys. I need y'all. By October, I want to have 1,000 subscribers. I want to keep it moving. I want to bring the full real entertainment for you guys here on the outdoors. You know what I'm saying? Do the daggone thing for you. Let you know what it's about. Let you know what it's all about out here. Okay? So we up here in the mangroves, and we about to skedaddle. skedaddle out of here. All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna go over to the other side. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna go fishing. I'm gonna see where we're gonna go fishing. So on that note, guys, I love you, family. Thank you for staying this far with me, okay? Because y'all stayed to the end. Appreciate it. Love. Bless up yourself. All right. Look what I spotted on the way to the car. Something about me and crabs. Something about me and crabs. Are we going to get into it today? Are we going to get into it?